How to disable off Facebook preview on Facebook Lite. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you disable off Facebook preview on Facebook Lite. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook Lite with your account. So like I'm on my iOS device, so I will open the main Facebook. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here, tap on your menu icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like followers and public content. Alright, so from the section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like off Facebook preview. So you can, as usual, turn off it from here. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you turn it, you can easily disable the features like off Facebook preview on your Facebook Lite. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.